So these are the reasons why I love VXI. So let's have a series on why I love VXI. The first one is because VXI offers different accounts, okay? And they accept newbies with no BPO experience. VXI was the first ever company who accepted me, who make me feel I am valued. Kasi sa ibang BPO companies na in-applyan ko sa Cebu, dito din sa Manila, is yung in-offer nila sa akin is ano talaga 18,000 below, 14,500 yung pinakababa, ganun. So sabi ko, bakit ganun? I graduated with a 4-year course. Cum laude ako. Naghirap ako sa school. Tapos, eto lang yung salary ko. Walang kaibahan kapag magtuturo man ako sa private. So, we all know that, right? That if gusto mo talagang mag-teach, because teaching is a noble job. It's really all about passion. It's all about vision and mission, guys. Tawag dito, hindi talaga malaki. Kapag dito ka sa Philippines, maliit lang talaga yung sahod ng teachers, lalo na kapag like nasa private school ka lang. Kung galante yung private school, then good. But if hindi, maliit lang talaga. Okay, pinakamababa na alam ko 7K per month. Tapos tumataas na ako ng 12K, ganun. So, sabi ko, I need to find a BPO company who can give me the value that I deserve. So, si VXI lang yung nakapagbigay sa akin ng ganun. And second one is madali lang yung process nila. Okay? Initial, final interview, tapos assessment. Wala nang cover leads, wala nang cover sum. Simple. Ganun. And then, yung tumatak talaga sa akin is yung values ng VXI. Sa interview question, pala ulit-ulit yan. When was the last time your integrity was tested? Because that's one of VXI's core values. Integrity talaga. Because that's true. Walang kwenta yung isang tao kapag matalino ka, skillful ka nga, pero pangat naman ang ugali mo. 'Di ba? Maganda ka nga, gwapo ka nga, pangat naman ang ugali mo, ang hangin mo. O, 'di ba? So, yan nga yung palaging, ito talaga yung tumatak sa akin na motto. Then, tapos, ginawa ko na din motto sa life ko, yung sinabi ng prof namin, na shout out to you, Miss Hannah Lay Villarmino, sabi niya, intelligence and skills will bring you to success, that's true, but it will always be your attitude that would keep you there. Totoo talaga yun, guys. Hindi ka magtatagal sa isang company kapag you don't have your own values. Like, you don't stood up of being, like, having integrity in you, ganun. Yes, integrity is so hard to be consistent, guys. Like, gusto mo na lang mag-disconnect ng call, gusto mo na lang kapag bigay ng misinfo, para lang matapos lang talaga. Gusto mo yan, Mr. Customer, ganun. Pero at the end of the day, like, mapapaisip ka, ano kaya maging outcome kung sinabi ko na lang yung totoo? Baka may much better pang mangyari, di ba? Ganun. So, yun yung kagustuhan ko talaga sa VXI. Like, they're not just gonna mold your mind and like your skills. They are also gonna mold or uhubugin nila yung values mo as a person or yung attitude mo. Okay? The next one is I love the work environment kasi lahat kami dun nagtutulungan. Like, tawag dito, if ever mag-create kami ng ticket, yung iba, diba, ibang company, like, hayaan mo yan, para ma-invalid yan, ganun, para hindi na magkaroon ng incentives. Sa amin doon, hindi. Magugulat na lang kami. Kino-call out na kami ng, in a nice way naman, pinupuntahan pa talaga kami ng mga ibang department na, uy, mali yung ticket mo, i-change mo yun. Kasi, tawag dito, may invalid yan, ganun. Kasi kapag papatuloy mo yan, like, i-heads up ka, because they don't want na, parang sila lang yung magkakaroon ng incentives. Okay, they want you to also experience that. Kasi they've been through your situation. And wala silang pili. Mapatrainee ka man or 10 months ka na dyan sa VXI, they are still gonna top you up. Kasi even though nandyan yung knowledge base, guys, makakaligtaan mo talaga yung process. Kasi syempre, we're not just agents alone. We also have personal life. We also have personal problems na nakukutak talaga yung utak natin. Diba? Even TL, even mga OM is nakakalimutan din nila yung process. That's why, diba sabi nila, no man is an island. Okay, lahat kami doon talaga nagtutulungan. If ever nasa-stress na yung mga, the good thing about it is meron kaming collaborative tool like sa Google Sheets. If ever busy yung isang DL kasi nagla-lunch, tapos kailangan na ng i-report, nagkakaroon agad ng initiative yung mga TL, uy, update natin yung tracker ng team ganto, team ganyan, ganun, kasi kailangan na ni boss ng ganto. Nagtutulungan sila, like, they're not gonna wait or they're not gonna waste time na tawag dito, na hayaan na lang, like, ay, like, hindi sila yung camaraderie. We all know that one, mga Bisaya. Camaraderie. Kami-kami lang. Okay, gano'n. So, meron talaga silang, teamwork, competitive, but still with competence. Okay, you need to know the difference of that. Competitive, but competent as well. And the fourth one is yung mga facilities nila, or like yung like ano ba tawag dun? Amenities or facilities? Basta, yun, yung meron silang playroom, meron silang pantry or canteen, nakasasarap ng mga pagkain, mababait din yung server, marami mag-serve ng ulam and pagkain, tapos, yung dito yung CR is clean. Yes, it gets dirty, but it can be cleaned for a couple of hours, like, sa pagiging madumi, tapos meron agad papasok kasi i-cleaning, tapos mababait yung mga guard. Yes, they're strict, lalo na kapag nakasleeveless ka lang, like, papasok ka ng kumpanya, tapos naka-sleeveless ka lang, diba? So, ako, pumapasok din naman ako ng naka-sleeveless, pero minamake sure ko naka-jacket ako, naka-blazer ako, ganun. So, you need to be professional, even though, like, nagko-calls lang naman kayo, like audio, ganun. And, the next one is, tawag dito, yung sahod. Malaki yung sahod, maganda din yung benefits, and then, tawag dito, is, mabilis, like, advance yung sahuran. Like, sabi nila, every other Friday, pero Thursday night pa lang, andun na yung sahod mo, ganon. And then, if ever meron na mga dispute, kasi, di ba, hindi naman yan talaga makakaligtaan kasi, human error na calculation, or system issue, ganon, na nagkakaroon ng system issue sa pag-transfer ng funds, ganon, na hindi natin talaga makokontrol kasi dependent siya sa bank, ganon, dependent siya sa system, ganon, is they make sure that they make ends meet, they resolve disputes as early as possible. Tapos, yung mga TL din, sasabihin na, kamusta na yung ano nyo, ganito. Wag kasi kayo palaging absent ng absent. Kinocompute namin para ganito, ganyan. Okay. Yaw-yaw sila ng yaw-yaw, pero meron naman silang purpose nun. If you're gonna like, dig deeper, bakit sila nagalit, bakit sila naiinis, kasi yun pala, behavioral na yung ginagawa mo. They don't let you, like, parang hahayaan ka lang, i-destroy mo yung buhay mo, kasi kanya-kanya kayo, hindi kami ganun. So, yun yung kagustuhan. I don't know, but that's my own point of view, kasi syempre, iba din naman yung point of view ng ibang, VXI employee. So, for me, I really focus on the positive guys rather than on the negative, because I'm done with that. I just want to have a peaceful life. So if you wanted to follow for more, then click the follow button and get the kids on the next video. Bye for now.